one doubt, Swami. Please forgive me. Swami, you said, Swami, God created the universe. Everything God created. But before the universe was created, before this consciousness was there, Swami, was God there before the universe?
That consciousness is God.
That consciousness is God.
God is not separated. Consciousness is everywhere. In you, with you, above you, below you, around you. Without consciousness, you are not. Consciousness is everywhere. That is God. I am telling you, you are also God. You are also God. You are also God. My words in any difference, no any time. God's created क्या है संकल्प एक आत्मा फर्स्ट संकल्प एको हम बहुश्याम that is first.
It's the will of God first.
एको हम बहुश्याम నేను ఒక్కడే అనేకం కావాలా.
One manifested into many.
ఎట్లా?
How?
Small example. Correct direct examples नहीं थोड़ा equal and
near examples.
Near example. Too high. तू एक ही है. एक वो हम बहुश्याम. मैं अनेक हो सकता है. I want wife. Second. That. I want wife. Wife. Next, I want son. Next, I want daughter. Sir, इतना फैमिली किधर से आया? हमारा संकल्प एको हम बहुश्याम मैं अनेक
I become many.
ऐसा नहीं भगवान कहने को एको हम बहुश्याम एक ही गॉड से कॉन्शियसनेस अनेक रूप में जा सकता है.
God, one consciousness, takes many forms.
पार्टर एक ही मड है. कितना मड, कितना पार्ट्स, कितना प्लेट्स, कितना कप्स, कितना ये कर सकता है. इतना कप्स, इतना पार्ट्स, इतना प्लेट्स, इतना किधर से आया? मट से आया. मट अलग पार्ट अलग नहीं. ऐसा consciousness and you are also same. और only part. Part में मट है. चेपुनु वाला में
Consciousness is everywhere. You are also consciousness. That's why Bhagavan says you are also God and you are the pot. The consciousness is inside within you. A potter makes out of the mud a pot, plate, cup, everything he makes, so many things out of the same mud. And the pot and mud are not separate. In the pot also there is mud.
Pot and mud is not separate.
Pot and mud are not separate.
Not separate.
Not separate.
God and create.
God and creation are not separate.
But useful, useless, that is difference.
But there is difference when
Parts दूसरा use कर सकता है.
pots people make use of the pots.
Water stock करता है. Rice boil करता है. Mutton boil करता है. Dog boil करता है. और दूसरा यदि parts को पानी डालता है तो देखिए plant.
Some plants. Potted plants. The pots can be used for various purposes. Out of the mud, so many pots are made, and pots can be used for different purposes.
Pot and mud is same.
But there's difference in using it. But the mud and pot is like that, same, made of the same material.
No, Swami, even we are God, Swami. That's what you're telling. Then why should an individual who is God, why should he strive to reach God?
నేనే భగవంతుడు అయినప్పుడు నేను భగవంతుడిని చేరటం ఏమిటి?
నీ భగవంతుడు అనేటువంటి కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ పూర్తి చేయనక్కర్లేదు.
When once you have full confidence you are God, there is no question of reaching God.
That is reaching.
That is reaching. The very awareness that you are God is.
I am God. There is no any reaching.
Nothing reaching.
Reaching है नहीं.
No reaching.
Only one. इतना वो स्टेज है ना, no any reaching अलग नहीं, दूसरा person अलग नहीं.
At that stage, when you know that you are God, there is no question of reaching.
No reaching. No second.
No second. Only that.
Second.
No second.
एकम एव अद्वितीयम ब्रह्म. Not two only.
Only one, not two. Only one.
वो स्टेज नहीं आता, वो कौन सी चर्चा?
That stage you have not got it. Therefore you. So you have to reach.
Go. Here.
You have to go.
Tell me how to reach.
Huh?
How to reach.
देखो अभी आफ्टर लंच आफ्टर डिनर जीवन स्वामी जी के पास जल्दी आ सकता है, ट्राई करता है। एक किसी में बैक सीट में हो सकता है, एक किसी में फ्रंट सीट में मिल सकता है। तुम्हारी इंटरेस्ट प्रेम दैट इज लव, दैट इज तुमको कितना जल्दी आता है बढ़ता है, दूर बैठता है।
बस
प्रत्यक्ष स्वामी जी के नियर
स्वामी
कितना जल्दी जाने की बहुत इच्छा है। इनर फोर्स
स्वामी
ఇంటర్నల్ ఒక అఫెక్షన్ బాగా మంచిగా ఉంటే
స్వామి.
ఇదేం వచ్చేసేస్తావు దగ్గరికి.
స్వామి.
ఇంటర్నల్ అఫెక్షన్ సరిగా లేకపోతే కూర్చుంటావు.
The question is how to reach God. Bhagavan gives us an example
Small example.
of just what is happening now. Worldly example. Now we are there in the dining hall. When Bhagavan sits here, we'll run immediately, we'll dash, we'll rush at a high speed and take the first seat. Why? Because of the interest we have. When there is affection internal affection, then we'll go there. When we don't have that interest, when there is no internal affection, we'll have the back seat.
ఇట్లా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అఫెక్షన్ రెండు ఉంటుంటే ఫోర్స్ చేస్తుంది.
When there is interest and affection coupled together, that will force you.
नो साइंस और साइंस सी हमारे इंडियंस रॉकेट्स करता है.
Indians prepare rockets. Rockets.
అది ఏకి శ్రీనగర్ కాదు,
Sriharikota.
శ్రీహరికోటకు తీసుకుపోతుంది. అక్కడ దానికి తగినటువంటి ఫౌండేషన్ దానికి ఎక్విప్మెంట్ అంతా అక్కడ ఉన్నాయి.
All the equipment of the rocket are all located there in Sriharikota.
అది పోయే ముందుగా ఎంత బ్యాక్ కొడుతుందో అంత ఫ్రంట్కి పోతుంది.
It just drives backwards, pushes backwards, and it will proceed with double as much as recedes.
అయితే అదే కాదు యారో,
It's like arrow shape.
ఎంత లాగి కొట్టేస్తుందో అంత స్పీడ్.
The more you pull it back, the faster it proceeds forwards.
కనుకనే ఎంత నీవు ఆ ప్రేమను ఎంత పూర్తి లాగేసేస్తావు అంత స్పీడ్.